Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to connect Voltas AC remote with mobile. So let's get started and watch the video till the end. You have different methods. Method number 1, if your phone has an IR blaster, then install any IR remote application such as My Remote, AnyMote or Peel Remote. Then open the application and here choose AC and select Voltas from the list. Now point your phone toward the AC and press the buttons to pair it. Another method is if your phone does not have an IR blaster, you just have to buy a smart IR blaster like BroadLink, then connect the IR blaster to your Wi-Fi using its official application. Then add your Voltas AC inside the application and start controlling it from your phone. Another option is for Smart Voltas AC. For this, you have to download the Voltas Smart application and register your AC in the application and control it directly by Wi-Fi. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.